Looking for the best high-yield savings accounts in 2025? With so many banks promising sky-high interest rates, it's easy to get overwhelmed, or worse, end up stuck with the wrong bank that barely grows your money. In this quick guide, we'll reveal the top savings accounts that actually deliver great returns, low fees, and flexible access. Don't let your savings sit idle. Let's find the right place to grow your money smartly this year. Today we will talk about best high-yield savings accounts in 2025. Don't use the wrong bank. So before we start, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. 1. Best high-yield savings accounts in 2025. Don't use the wrong bank. In 2025, finding the best high-yield savings account is more important than ever. With inflation pressures, fluctuating interest rates, and evolving banking technologies, where you park your savings can significantly impact your financial growth. High-yield savings accounts offer an opportunity to earn much more interest than traditional savings accounts, making them ideal for emergency funds, short-term savings goals, or even a secure place to build wealth. But not all high-yield accounts are created equal, and choosing the wrong bank could mean lower returns, hidden fees, or poor customer service. This guide will walk you through everything you need to know to select the best high-yield savings account in 2025 and avoid costly mistakes. 2. What exactly is a high-yield savings account in 2025? A high-yield savings account is a deposit account that offers significantly higher interest rates compared to a standard savings account. In 2025, these rates can be anywhere from 3% to 5% annual percentage yield (APY), or even more, depending on the bank and current economic conditions. This compares to the average 0.1% to 0.5% APY you might find at many brick-and-mortar banks. The rise of online banks and fintech platforms has fueled competition, allowing many institutions to offer high-yield accounts with minimal fees and no minimum balance requirements. These accounts remain federally insured by the FDIC, Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation, or NCUA, National Credit Union Administration, for up to $250,000 per depositor, which means your money stays safe while it grows. 3. Why you can't afford to use the wrong bank. Picking the wrong bank or savings account could cost you thousands over time. Some banks advertise high APYs that may come with strings attached, monthly maintenance fees, minimum balance requirements, limited withdrawal options, or penalties that eat into your interest gains. Others might have outdated online banking interfaces or poor customer support, frustrating your experience and limiting your control over your money. In addition, some financial institutions might lag in security measures, increasing the risk of fraud or data breaches. In 2025, with cyber threats becoming increasingly sophisticated, choosing a bank with strong digital security protocols is just as crucial as chasing the highest APE. 4. Top factors to consider when choosing a high-yield savings account. When evaluating options for your high-yield savings account, keep these factors top of mind. Interest rate, APY. The higher the better, but watch for rates that sound too good to be true. Check if the APY is variable or fixed and how often it compounds. Daily compounding yields better returns than monthly or yearly. Fees and minimums. Look for accounts with no monthly fees, low or no minimum balance requirements, and no hidden charges. Access and flexibility. How easy is it to deposit and withdraw funds? Are there limits on the number of transactions? Does the bank provide a seamless online or mobile banking experience? FDIC/NCUA insurance. Ensure your deposits are insured up to $250,000 for peace of mind. Customer service. Reliable customer support can be a lifesaver if issues arise. Additional features. Some banks offer perks like automatic savings tools, linked checking accounts, or financial planning resources. 5. The best high-yield savings accounts to consider in 2025. Here are some of the standout high-yield savings accounts dominating the market in 2025. Ally Bank Savings Account. Known for consistently competitive APYs around 4.5%, no minimum balance, and zero monthly fees. Ally's intuitive online and mobile platforms make managing your savings effortless. Plus, it offers 24/7 customer support. Marcus by Goldman Sachs offers one of the highest APYs in the market, sometimes exceeding 4.75% with no fees or minimum deposit requirements. Marcus is great for savers looking for straightforward high returns with a reputable brand behind it. Discover Online Savings Account provides a competitive APY of approximately 4.3% and boasts excellent customer service. No fees and a low minimum opening deposit, $0, make it accessible for all savers. Capital One 360 Performance Savings, combining a high APY with a robust mobile app and access to physical branches. Capital One caters to users who want flexibility without compromising returns. Varo Bank High Yield Savings. Varo is a fintech disruptor offering a tiered APY that can reach over 5% for qualifying customers, based on monthly deposits and balances, with no fees and instant access via its app. 6. Understanding the fine print, fees, limits, and penalties. While the APY headline grabs your attention, the fine print holds the real story. Watch out for withdrawal limits. Federal regulation used to limit savings account withdrawals to 6 per month. But some banks have eased this rule. Still, excessive transfers might trigger fees or account conversion. Inactivity fees. If you don't use your account regularly, some banks may charge fees or close the account. Transfer delays. Some banks take several days to process transfers, which can be inconvenient during emergencies. Minimum balance penalties. Falling below a certain balance may result in fees or reduced interest rates. Always read the terms carefully before opening an account to avoid surprises. 7. How to maximize your savings growth in 2025. Beyond selecting the best high-yield savings account, here are tips to supercharge your savings strategy. Automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings to consistently grow your balance without thinking. Leverage introductory rates. Some banks offer special APYs for new accounts during the first few months. Just remember to monitor and switch if rates drop. Consider laddering savings. Spread your money across multiple savings accounts or combine with short-term CDs to optimize returns and liquidity. Keep an eye on inflation. Aim for an APY that at least matches or beats inflation to preserve your money's purchasing power. Avoid temptation. Use savings accounts primarily for funds you don't plan to touch often, so you don't erode your gains through frequent withdrawals. 8. Final thoughts. Your money deserves the best bank in 2025. The high-yield savings account landscape in 2025 offers more opportunity than ever before, but it demands vigilance and smart decision-making. Don't settle for outdated banks offering negligible interest or falling prey to flashy but restrictive offers. By understanding the true cost of fees, withdrawal limits, and the importance of strong customer service, you can choose an account that helps your money grow safely and efficiently. Remember, the best high-yield savings account isn't just about the highest APY. It's about the full package of trust, flexibility, and user experience. Take your time to research, compare, and find the institution that aligns with your financial goals and lifestyle. Your future self will thank you. If you like this video and would like to see more like it, please give it the thumbs up. Leave a comment and click the button to subscribe.